TrueConnect is a leading provider of free government phones and tablets for eligible low-income individuals. Today, we'll show you exactly how to check your application status and stay informed throughout the approval process. TrueConnect operates under the Federal Lifeline Assistance Program, which helps make communication services affordable for qualifying households across the United States. The Lifeline program provides essential communication services to those who need them most, ensuring everyone has access to emergency services, job opportunities, and staying connected with family. TrueConnect provides both smartphones and tablets to eligible applicants, along with monthly data allowances and unlimited talk and text services. Once you submit your application, it's important to know how to track its progress. Your application will go through several stages, and staying informed helps ensure a smooth approval process. In this comprehensive guide, we'll show you 4 different methods to check your application status: through the online portal, by phone, using the mobile app, and via text message notifications. We'll also cover troubleshooting common issues and share best practices to ensure your application process goes smoothly. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in tracking your TrueConnect application every step of the way. When you apply for TrueConnect service, your application moves through several distinct status categories. Understanding these 6 key status types will help you track your application's progress and know what to expect at each stage. The first status is submitted. This means TrueConnect has successfully received your application and it's now in their processing queue. You'll see this status immediately after completing your online application. Next is under review. During this phase, TrueConnect staff are actively verifying your documentation and checking your eligibility against government assistance programs. This is when they confirm your identity and qualification status. The pending status indicates that TrueConnect needs additional information from you. This could be missing documentation, unclear photos, or expired eligibility proof. You'll need to provide the requested information to move forward. Approved is the status you want to see. This means you've met all eligibility requirements, and TrueConnect has authorized you to receive a free device and service. Your device will be prepared for shipment soon. Unfortunately, denied means your application was rejected. TrueConnect will provide a specific reason, such as not meeting income requirements, already having Lifeline service, or incomplete documentation. You may be able to reapply after addressing the issues. Finally, shipped indicates your device is on its way to you. You'll typically receive tracking information and can expect delivery within 5 to 10 business days. Once you receive your device, you'll need to activate it to begin service. These status categories follow a logical progression through the application lifecycle. Most applications move from submitted to under review to approved to shipped, though some may go to pending if additional information is needed. The status checking process involves decision points and potential loops. For example, if your application is pending, you'll need to submit additional documents before it can move to under review again. Understanding this flow helps you know what actions to take at each stage. Remember, each status category serves a specific purpose in the application process. Knowing what each status means helps you understand where your application stands and what steps you might need to take next. In the following sections, we'll explore the different methods you can use to check these statuses. The primary and most convenient method for checking your TrueConnect application status is through their official website portal. This online system provides instant access to your application information. First, visit the TrueConnect official website and look for the Check Application Status section. This is typically prominently displayed on the main page for easy access. Once you click on the Status Check section, you'll see the TrueConnect Help interface. This page explains that applications typically take 3 to 5 business days to process and verify. To check your status, you'll need to enter 2 key pieces of information: your application reference number, which was provided when you first applied, and personal details like your name and date of birth for verification. The online portal provides real-time updates with detailed explanations of your application status. You can access this information instantly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without any wait times or phone queues. This makes the online portal the most efficient and convenient method for staying updated on your TrueConnect application progress. The second method to check your TrueConnect application status is through their dedicated phone support system. This traditional approach offers both automated and live assistance options. TrueConnect's customer service number is 1-800-430-0443. This toll-free number connects you directly to their support system where you can get information about your application status. Phone support is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The map shows the different time zones across the United States, so you can determine the best time to call based on your location. When you call, you have access to two types of support. The automated system provides basic status information and is available around the clock for quick inquiries. For more complex questions, live agents are available during business hours to provide detailed assistance. Here's how to effectively use TrueConnect's phone support. First, dial the customer service number and have your application reference number ready. You can then choose to use the automated system for quick status checks or request to speak with a live agent for more detailed assistance. When calling for support, have your application reference number and personal information ready. This includes your full name as submitted, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Having this information available will help the system or agent quickly locate and verify your application. Phone support offers several advantages, including immediate human assistance for complex issues, the ability to ask follow-up questions, real-time problem resolution, and accessibility without requiring an internet connection. This makes it an excellent option for those who prefer direct communication or need detailed explanations about their application status. The TrueConnect mobile app provides the most convenient way to check your application status on the go. This method offers real-time updates and additional features not available through other channels. First, you need to download the TrueConnect mobile app. Search for TrueConnect in either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Make sure to download the official TrueConnect app to ensure security and functionality. Once installed, the TrueConnect app provides a user-friendly interface with several key features. You can view real-time status updates, track your application progress, upload required documents, and receive push notifications for important changes. The app interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Your application status is prominently displayed, along with any required actions or next steps in the process. Push notifications are one of the most valuable features of the mobile app. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to allow notifications. This ensures you receive instant alerts whenever your application status changes. Always select Allow when prompted for notification permissions. This ensures you won't miss important updates about document requests, approvals, or shipping notifications. If your application requires additional documentation, the mobile app makes it easy to upload files directly. You'll receive a push notification when documents are needed, and you can quickly take photos or select files from your device to upload. The TrueConnect mobile app offers significant advantages over other status checking methods. You get real-time updates, instant push notifications, easy document upload capabilities, and 24/7 access to your application information, making it the most comprehensive and convenient option available. TrueConnect offers SMS notifications as a convenient way to stay updated on your application status. This automatic service sends text messages directly to your phone whenever there are important changes to your application. To receive SMS notifications from TrueConnect, you need to opt into this service. This is a simple process that ensures you receive timely updates about your application status. The opt-in process involves 3 simple steps. First, provide your mobile number during the application process. Second, make sure to check the SMS notifications opt-in box. Finally, verify your phone number when prompted to confirm you want to receive text updates. Once you've opted in, TrueConnect will send you several types of text message notifications to keep you informed throughout the application process. You'll receive automatic alerts whenever your application status changes. These messages inform you when your application moves from one stage to another, such as from under review to approved, or when your device has been shipped. You'll also receive delivery confirmation notifications. These messages let you know when your approved device has been shipped and provide tracking information so you can monitor its progress to your address. SMS notifications offer several key benefits. You receive instant updates the moment your status changes. No app is required, since it works on any phone that can receive text messages, and you'll never miss important updates even when you're away from your computer. Remember that SMS notifications are opt-in only. Make sure to enable this feature during your application process to stay fully informed about your TrueConnect application status and delivery updates. Even with a streamlined application process, you may encounter delays or technical issues when checking your TrueConnect application status. Understanding common problems and their solutions will help you resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Application delays typically occur for three main reasons. Peak enrollment seasons like back to school and holidays can extend processing times significantly. Incomplete documentation is the leading cause of delays, affecting over 1/3 of applications. Additional identity verification requirements can also add weeks to the process. When you encounter technical issues accessing your application status, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The most common solution is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Here's how to clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings and navigate to the Clear Browsing Data section. Select Cached Images and Files, set the time range to all time, and click the Clear Data button. This resolves most portal access issues. Another common issue is entering incorrect application reference numbers. Always double-check your reference number for accuracy, including any letters or special characters. The most effective approach to resolving issues is proactive communication with customer service. Don't wait for problems to resolve themselves. Reach out early for assistance. Contact customer service through multiple channels. Phone support is available weekdays from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. For non-urgent issues, use the online portal or mobile app messaging. Always have your reference number ready and describe issues clearly to get faster resolution. Here's a quick troubleshooting checklist to resolve most common issues. First, verify your reference number accuracy. Clear your browser cache if using the online portal. Check your internet connection stability, and contact customer service if problems persist beyond 24 hours. Following best practices ensures your TrueConnect application process goes smoothly. There are 3 key phases to focus on: before applying, during the process, and after approval. Before applying, preparation is crucial. First, gather all required documentation, including a valid photo ID, proof of income or government assistance participation, and address verification documents. Verify your household's eligibility status by checking that your income is at or below 135% of federal poverty guidelines, or that you participate in qualifying government assistance programs like SNAP, Medicaid, or SSI. During the application process, keep your application reference number secure and easily accessible. This number is essential for checking your status and communicating with customer service. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. TrueConnect may need clarification or additional documents to verify your eligibility. Quick responses prevent delays in processing. After approval, you must activate your device within 30 days of receiving it. This is a critical requirement to maintain your Lifeline service eligibility. Finally, maintain your service by meeting usage requirements. You must use your device for calls, texts, or data at least once every 30 days to keep your Lifeline benefit active. Following these best practices will help ensure your TrueConnect application is processed smoothly and your service remains active. Preparation, prompt communication, and meeting requirements are key to success.